Hello friends, once again welcome back to the Automation Revolution. Today in this video we will see the second program for our PLC programming series channel. So first we will read the statement or logic, and based on this statement we will develop ladder logic in Siemens TI portal software. So statement is: when a start switch is pressed, a motor and red lamp turns on, and when stop switch is pressed, motor and red lamp turns off and green lamp turns on. So first we will identify inputs and outputs. So here start and stop switch both are input, you can see, and there are two inputs and both are digital, and there are three outputs: motor, red lamp and green lamp. These three are digital output. So now based on this input and output we will design ladder logic. So in this Siemens TI portal software we have used S7 1200 PLC, and we have already done the configuration. Now directly we will switch to this programming block, and here we will develop this ladder logic. So first I will use start button, and I will address I0.0, and I can rename here. So this will be our start switch, and we need to take second stop switch. So keep one thing in mind when we are using any stop switch or an emergency stop switch. So it compulsory comes in series with the start switch. So when any emergency stop or normal stop we need to take, it will always come in series. So keep this thing in your mind. So I will use another I0.1, and here we rename stop switch. So this will be our start and stop switch, and now we will see logic. When start switch is pressed, motor and red lamp turns on. So at a time there are two outputs are on with the same start switch. So first I will take here Q0.0. so this will be our motor, and second output we will take in parallel. Here also we will apply second condition. When you are taking two outputs, so always take in parallel, don't take in series. Technically it's wrong, so that's why we will use multiple outputs in parallel also. So Q 0.1, and that will be our red lamp. So I will assign a red lamp. So when I will press start switch, stop switch is already NC, so the current will pass through like this, and motor and red lamp both output will be on when we press the start switch. So this will be our first network. Now we will see the second condition. When stop switch is pressed, motor and red lamp turns off and a green lamp turns on. So now we will develop the second logic or second condition. So when I will press stop switch, so it will be open because it's already NC, and this motor and red lamp both will be off. Now we can use the stop switch open contact here for making second logic. So I can use I0.1 as open contact, and now I will use here third output Q0.2, and this will be our green lamp. So now our program is ready. Now we'll check. So I will compile and download. So program is downloaded successfully, and we will open on monitoring. So now you can see the stop switch is in NC, start switch is open, and now I will press I0.0 switch from the PLC hardware input. So you can see now motor and red lamp both output are on, you can see from the monitoring. And when I will press the stop switch, second thing we need to take care that we are using here switch not push button, so the start switch will be continuously on, and stop switch also will be continuously on when we are pressing the switch. So now I will press stop switch, so this NC contact will be open, and both motor and red lamp both output will be off, and this contact open contact will be NC, and from the stop switch we can on this green lamp. So according to our logic, you can see when start switch is pressed, that time both output are on. First second time we will see. So now I will press the start switch, so motor and red lamp both turns on, you can see. And now I will press the stop switch, so this motor and red lamp both output will be off and green lamp is turned on. So second program is now completed. Now we will go for third program. So now I will go offline and I will delete this network. So you can delete from right click here. Now we will see another program, design a ladder logic using DOL starter or hold on contact. So here we need to use push button. So push button is one type of input which is giving the pulse. Like switch it's not giving continuously output, any push button is only giving pulse. So here we will consider only pulse from single input, and here we will use latch. So in dual starter there are two push buttons, start and stop push button, and when I will press the start push button, and then based on the pulse will use latch, and then output will be on. Now we will use this fourth program. First I will use here start button I 0.0. so this will be our start push button, not switch. So I will use here start push button, and when start push button is giving pulse to output, the lamp will be on, and when stop push button is pressed, lamp will be off. So I will use here stop push button, I will rename, and this will be our output. So in start push button, when I will give single pulse, so that time output should be continuously on. If I will release this output, so in order to make this logic in hold and contact, we will use here latch contact. So here I will give addressing for this motor Q 0.0. Now I will download the program and then we will see. So it will be very easy for understanding this program. And now I will enable. So right now this top push button is in NC, start is open contact, and here from the motor output relay coil we have used open contact for latching. So when I will press the start button for the pulse, it will give the output. So this Q 0.0 will be on, and when I will make start push button off, it will be as it is. So I will press start push button. So you can see it gives only single pulse, and now output is continuously on, because here we have used here latch contact. So it will be latch, and continuously from this output Q0.0 latch contact, it will gives supply to motor or output. So now when I will press the stop button, so it will cut here the supply and output will be off. Now I will press stop push button, and now output is off. Once again I will press start push button, so it will give the pulse, output is on. Now from the stop push button you can make off. So this will be a single push button start and stop push button, and you can also tell like DOL starter. So now in our next video we will see another program for the PLC ladder logic. So thank you very much for watching this video.